Want to get internet abroad without queuing at the airport or messing with local SIM cards? Let me show you exactly how to order a Digitravel eSIM for your internet in Bali. First, just go to Digitravel official site at digitravel.store. You'll see two main options, SIM card or instant eSIM. If you're in a rush or don't want to deal with shipping, tap on eSIM Instant or just type your destination in the search bar, let's say Indonesia, then hit search. Once the result came up, pick the one that says eSIM. The green label is your clue. Now pick your data plan and how long you want it to be active. They've got option from a few days up to a whole month. Click buy now and then just fill in your details like name, phone number, and most importantly your email because that's where they'll send the eSIM. Choose your payment method like Visa, MasterCard, or JCB super smooth. And don't forget to tick the little confirmation box before you hit place order. And boom, your eSIM gets sent to your email instantly, like within minutes. No more airport lines, no need to register with a local provider. It's cheaper than buying a SIM at the airport. Works right away, comes with 24/7 customer support, and there's a 100% guarantee in case anything goes wrong.